Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing. This video is going to be get ready with me for Diwali, and I love the vibe of this look. It's very fresh and very up for the festival. So I'm going to be taking you through this makeup look. So if you guys are interested in knowing the details about this look, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and make sure you also follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So I've prepped my face, and today I've used this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and my base is ready. And now I'm going to start with the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and because it has inbuilt primer in it, I'm gonna skip the primer, and I'm in the shade Warm Cream. I'm anyway gonna mention all the products and their details in the description box below, so you can definitely check that out. So now I'm gonna apply this. After foundation, I'm gonna go with the concealer, and today I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade Light. And I'm gonna just use it as a highlighter under my under eye area and my T-zone. Now I'm gonna be using this brush to blend this concealer. After using the concealer, I'm gonna go ahead with the loose powder, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me to set my under eye area. So after setting up my face, I'm going to go ahead with the brow pencil, and I'm going to be using this Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to quickly fill my brows. So after filling up my brows, I'm going to start with my eye makeup, and today I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes, and both are from Huda Beauty. I'm going to be using both and mixing few of the colors from each of these palettes, and I'm going to be creating a very nice look which is going to complement my outfit. So I'm starting with this Nude palette. So I'm going to start with the shade called Tickle, and I'm going to pick up the shade and I'm going to just blend it on my crease area. And after using Tickle, I'm going to use the shade called Spanked, and I'm going to just use a very little amount of the shade and going to just blend it around my outer corner of the eyes. So I'm going to be completing this step right on my left eye, and again I'm going to use the shade called Tickle. And now to blend on my outer corners, I'm going to use the shade called Spanked. I've used these matte shades, and now I'm going to use shimmers and the glitters. And for a very nice and seamless finish of the shimmers, I'm going to use this glitter primer. It's from PAC, and I'm going to apply it on the center of my lid and the inner corner area. So I'm just going to take some amount, directly apply it here, and similarly on the right eye. Now to evenly spread it, I'm going to use this brush. So I've applied the glitter primer, and now I'm going to use this shade called Daydream. It's a very nice multi-reflective shadow. So I'm going to just pick the shade. This is how it looks, very nice, very reflective, and I'm gonna just pat it on the glitter primer. This primer helps in keeping that metallic or the glitter stay put throughout. It doesn't budge at all. So that's how the multi-reflective shadows looks like when you use a glitter primer underneath it. And the finish is very perfect, very seamless, and they're gonna stay put as is throughout the makeup, and that's the beauty of applying a glitter primer. So I'm gonna be using the same brush, and I'm gonna take this shade called Spanked, and I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. This is how it looks, and now I'm gonna apply the shade from the another palette from Huda Beauty, which is this Mercury Retrograde, and I'm going to be using only one shade from this, which is this Super Moon shade. It's again a multi-reflective shadow and it looks more of like a pearl shade, which is going to complement my outfit. So I'm going to just use this shade on the center of my lid, add just a topper, and give a exact bling or a glossy finish to the eyes. So I'm just going to use my finger and just take some amount, and I'm directly patting on the center of my lid. So I've applied this Super Moon shade, and now I'm again going to take the Tickle shade from Nude palette, and I'm going to just give a very finished look and blend it on the crease of my eyes so that it looks really nicely blended and there are no harsh lines around my eye. So eyes are almost complete, and to add a pop on the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this Daydream Multi-Reflective Shadow again and just add it in the inner corner of my eyes. That's how the eyes looks like, and I'm going to be completing this eye makeup with the Falsies, and before that I'm going to use a mascara, and today I'm going to be using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and just gonna apply it, and then I'll be back with the Falsies. So my eyes are ready, and now to complete the look I'm gonna start with the bronzer, and today I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm gonna be just taking this bronzer shade. After contouring my face, I'm going to go with the blush, and today I'm going to be using this MAC blush in the shade DollyMix. So I've applied the blush, and now I'm going to be using the highlighter, and today I'm going to be using this The Balm Cosmetics highlighter. It's a Mirror Luminizer highlighter, which is my most favorite highlighter, so I'm going to be using this today. And now to complete this look, I'm going to be using the lipsticks, and today I'm going to be using two lipsticks. One is this K-Beauty in the shade Entourage, and the second one is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Istanbul. So I'm going to be using this one first. Second, I'm going to go with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So my makeup is ready, and to set it, I'm gonna go with this fixing spray from MAC, and I'm gonna just shake it and then spritz it all over my face. I'm gonna let it dry. So that's it guys, this was the tutorial. I hope you guys liked the whole makeup look and the tutorial, and I would love to know your thoughts on this look, so tell me in the comments. And if you guys are interested in more makeup tutorial, do let me know, and I will definitely be creating more. If you have any specific requirement, mention that in the comments. And if you guys like this tutorial, definitely give a thumbs up to my video, and I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care, happy Diwali, stay safe, enjoy your festivities, and I will see you in the another video. Bye.